Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Juris here. Here we are today on our next Do the Math lesson. It's lesson 18, and you will need your workbook, of course, and you will be working through pages 30 to 33. So that is 30, 31, 32, and 33. Well, today in our lesson, we are going to do page 30 and page 31 together, okay? So what I need you to do is go ahead and have those work pages open, and I can guide you through this with my circles, but I also sent you a circle template that the cookie template that you could print out and use, or you could make your own circles with paper, okay? And then practice folding and cutting them into half, cutting them into fourths, cutting them into eighths, okay? So, or however many times you need to cut them depending upon the problem. But today we're going to be first talking about, we're going to continue the sharing cookies. We're going to figure out how 8 people, so I'm going to make 8 boxes to represent 8 people, are going to share 1 cookie, which is on page 30, 3 cookies, 4 cookies, and 6 cookies. Okay, so what I'm going to first do is we're going to do page 30, which is let's see how many each person would get if 8 people shared 1 cookie. So I'm going to put 1 cookie up here, okay? And if I have 8 boxes, then I am sharing it with 8 people. So I will be cutting this circle into 8 equal pieces. Wow, look, it did it for me magically. So now we've got to figure out, okay, we have 8 pieces of the cookie and we have our 8 people. So we're going to start putting a piece in every single box. Okay, so if it was one whole piece divided into 8 pieces and there are 8 people doing this with 1 cookie, what would be the fraction? Well, on the bottom of your page, it will say each person gets, so we need to put down what each person's getting. The answer would be, okay, if there's 8 pieces, then the 8 is going to go at the bottom. And if they each get 1 piece, then the 1 goes in the numerator. So it's 1/8. Each person gets 1/8 of a cookie. Whew, Miss Juris's handwriting is not too good on that. So 1/8 of a cookie would go at the bottom of that page. All right. Now moving on, we'll do one more page together and then I'm going to leave you guys to do your page 32 and 33 on your own. So I'm going to reset my, let me see here, I got to get my arrow back, my pointer. I'm going to reset, and we're still working with 8 people, so we need a grid of 8 boxes. This time, we are going to be sharing 3 cookies equally among 8 people, okay? 3 cookies. So I'm going to put a cookie here. That's 1 cookie, 2 cookie, 3 cookie, okay? So because there's 8 people, what am I going to do? I will cut it, each cookie, into 8 pieces. And from there, we all know that 1 piece represents 1/8 now from our first problem we did. So now we're just going to evenly distribute our cookie pieces into the 8 boxes. Does anybody see the pattern that's happening here now? I'm sorry, these are all facing the wonkiest direction, but you get the point. So Miss Juris is la 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 la, getting the pieces distributed evenly to all of our friends. Okay, so you see, how many pieces do we have left? 4. So how many pieces does it look, how many eighth pieces does it look like there is for 8 people? What would that fraction look like? Well, we know that we have 8 people in our denominator. We're dividing it among 8 people. And how many pieces are in each box? 3. 3/8 of a cookie. So at the bottom of page 31, you would say each person gets 3/8 of a cookie. All right? So that is all I'm going to show you today because I'd like you to work the next 2 out by yourself. And if you have any questions, email me. But I think you guys can get this pretty good. On Friday, we will be having a live math chat and we will discuss this week's lessons, and we may do the assessment whole group again. So I want to see you all there on Friday at 10:30. Okay? All right. Well, all of you have a most wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Love you guys. Bye.